Come take a tour with me. Today we are in this beautiful 6-bedroom, 4 full baths, 2 half baths, single family home in Lincoln Park. Come check it out. When you first enter, you have this beautiful entryway tile. I love the detail. And of course, a coat closet. Your formal living spaces include these great floor-to-ceiling windows, gas fireplace, lots of great windows. We're on a corner lot, so you don't have another building right next to you. The powder room is up a couple stairs here. The kitchen has this great big island, tons of seating. There are 3 ovens and a convection microwave, 2 ovens on the Wolf range. Love this nice deep sink here. And you have an extra bar sink at the end. Great big Sub-Zero. We're calling this the Costco pantry because it's huge. It goes all the way under the stairs. And they even put a plug for your Dyson charger. There's a plug here as well so that you can add in a coffee bar if you would like. There's a nice breakfast nook here. This banquette could fit a round or a rectangle table. The family room off the kitchen is huge. I love all these built-ins and another gas fireplace. Just look at this ceiling detail too. The whole house is also wired for speakers. The lower level has radiant floors and LVT tile. It's really nice and bright down here. You have a wet bar with a beverage fridge. Check out this closet. The first bedroom on the lower level is set up to be an office. So you have these doors that you can see through. And the builder suggests turning the closet into a Peloton room if you'd like. There's room for a second laundry room or upgrade to installing a sauna. This is a powder room. This lower level bedroom has plenty of light and an ensuite bath and a nice big walk-in closet. Let's go upstairs. There are 4 bedrooms on the upper level. Great treetop views, and 2 full baths are shared by the 3 secondary bedrooms. Here's a bird's eye view of the roof deck on the garage, and you have a party door. That's cool. The primary suite is in the front of the house and has these beautiful treetop views. The primary bath is very spacious. You have lots of shower head options, including a rain shower and steam. And look at this great soaking tub. This home has so much closet space. This primary closet goes all the way through. Heading outside, you have this great bench with shoe racks and coat hooks. The backyard includes this patch of grass and patio and has gas. And you got this great party door that you can open up when you're entertained. The garage roof deck includes this incredible pergola. My name's Christine Luri with At Properties. I am your Chicago real estate expert, and if you have questions about buying or selling property in Chicago, hit me up. Have a great day.